Welcome to House Lux Estate, your trusted source for all things finance. We're here to be your guiding light in the often bewildering world of finance, providing you with clear, comprehensive, and easy-to-understand financial education. At House Lux Estate, we believe in the power of knowledge. We strive to simplify complex financial concepts and make them accessible to everyone, from the novice investor to the seasoned finance student. Our mission is to help you navigate the financial seas with confidence and ease, empowering you to make informed decisions that can positively shape your financial future. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating aspect of finance that plays a crucial role in strategic decision-making. We'll be exploring the world of financial models, a topic that is not only interesting but also immensely practical. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and prepare to learn. Stay tuned as we delve into today's topic, the role of financial models in strategic decision-making. Diving right in, we first need to grasp what financial models actually are. Picture a financial model as a virtual representation of a real-world financial situation. It's like a Lego set for finance, where each brick represents a particular financial element. Now, these bricks can be anything: revenues, costs, profits, you name it. The beauty of this Lego set is that you can rearrange the bricks in any way you want to see how a change in one brick affects the whole structure. In essence, financial models are mathematical constructs that represent the performance of a financial asset or portfolio, or the projected financial performance of a business. They are typically built on spreadsheets and use a set of assumptions about future scenarios to produce probable outcomes. Why are these models so crucial, you ask? Well, imagine deciding to build a house without a blueprint. You wouldn't know where to start, right? That's exactly what financial models do for finance. They provide a blueprint for decision-making, helping to forecast future financial performance, evaluate potential investments, or assess the financial risk of a particular strategy. Financial models help to translate a business plan or idea into numbers, giving you a clear picture of the financial implications. This is why they are a fundamental tool for financial analysts, investment bankers, and corporate finance professionals. Think about it this way: if you're baking a cake, you need a recipe. That recipe is your financial model. It tells you what ingredients you need, how much of each, and the steps you need to follow to make a delicious cake. Without that recipe, you're just guessing, and the outcome could be less than tasty. So whether it's deciding whether to invest in a new project, assessing the impact of a potential market change, or planning for future growth, financial models are the recipes that guide us in making informed strategic decisions. Having a clear understanding of financial models sets the stage for our next discussion: their role in strategic decision-making. Now that we know what financial models are, we can explore how they influence strategic decisions. Financial models serve as a crystal ball, offering a glimpse into the future of a company or investment. They provide a quantitative view, a number-based snapshot, if you will, of a company's situation or a specific investment. This allows decision-makers to see potential outcomes based on a variety of factors and scenarios. Let's consider a company contemplating a major expansion. A financial model would take into account variables such as the cost of the investment, the expected return, and the time it would take to recoup the investment. By tweaking these variables, decision-makers can see a range of possible outcomes and make an informed choice. Similarly, if an investor is considering pouring funds into a startup, a financial model can provide insights into the startup's future profitability. It can help answer critical questions like, will the startup generate enough revenue to justify the investment? Or, how long will it take to see a return on the investment? But financial models are not just about predicting the future. They also play a vital role in assessing the present. They can help a company understand its current financial health, identify areas of strength and weakness, and make strategic decisions accordingly. For instance, a financial model could reveal that a company is spending too much on overhead costs, prompting a decision to streamline operations. Moreover, financial models are dynamic, not static. They can be updated and adjusted as new information comes in, ensuring that decision-makers always have the most accurate and up-to-date information at their fingertips. In essence, financial models are like compasses guiding companies and investors through the complex world of business and finance. They provide a roadmap, highlighting the potential pitfalls and opportunities along the way. So, we can see that financial models are key tools in the decision-making process. But how do they come into play in real-world scenarios? Let's bring this into perspective with some real-world applications of financial models. Imagine you're an investor in the renewable energy sector. To decide where to put your money, you can use a financial model to predict the return on investment from different projects. You'd factor in variables like the cost of solar panels or wind turbines, the price of electricity, and the projected energy production, among others. This model then provides a detailed analysis, helping you to make an informed decision about which project to invest in. Now let's consider another scenario. Say you're a manager at a manufacturing company. You need to decide whether to upgrade your machinery to improve efficiency. A financial model can help you weigh the costs against the benefits. You'd consider factors such as the price of new equipment, the expected increase in productivity, and the time it would take for the investment to pay off. Once again, the financial model serves as a compass, guiding your strategic decision. Financial models aren't just for businesses and investors, though. Let's say you're a policymaker in the government, tasked with deciding where to allocate funds for public services. A financial model can help you predict the impact of investing in different areas, like education, healthcare, or infrastructure. It could estimate the number of jobs created, the improvement in citizens' quality of life, and the potential for economic growth. And what about nonprofit organizations? They too can benefit from financial models. For instance, a charity wanting to maximize its impact could use a model to determine the most effective way to use its resources. It could analyze data on poverty rates, the cost of various interventions, and their potential impact to decide where to focus its efforts. These examples underline the versatility and practicality of financial models in our everyday business environment. With all this information, it's time to summarize our key takeaways. Let's take a moment to circle back and recap the main points we've navigated through today. We started off by understanding what financial models are. These are, at their core, representations of a company's financial operations. They serve as a blueprint of sorts, allowing us to understand the intricacies of a company's financial health and outlook. Then, we delved into the role of financial models in strategic decision-making. We found that they are not merely tools for number crunching. They are instrumental in guiding decisions, from daily operational choices to long-term strategic planning. They provide a snapshot of the potential consequences of various choices, helping decision-makers navigate the complex world of business with greater confidence and clarity. We also explored some real-world applications of financial models. From startups to multinational corporations, from investment decisions to risk management, financial models are ubiquitous in the business world. They are used in mergers and acquisitions, budgeting, forecasting, and so much more. Their versatility and practicality make them an indispensable tool in the world of finance and beyond. But remember, financial models are not infallible. They are based on assumptions and estimations, which means they come with a degree of uncertainty. It's crucial to keep this in mind when making decisions based on these models. They are a guide, not a guarantee. In conclusion, financial models are more than just a collection of numbers. They are a strategic tool, a mirror reflecting the financial realities and potentials of a business. They help us make informed decisions, mitigate risks, and identify opportunities. They are the compass guiding us through the labyrinth of financial decision-making. That's it for today. Remember, financial models are not just numbers on a screen, but powerful tools that drive strategic decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insightful discussions. Thank you, and see you next time.